So how long ago did you build this Stage 5 ZL1?
Eric, when do you think I built this? A year ago?
A year ago?
Remember, this is the second car.
I would say at least 2 years ago.
Had that long?
You were working on this the week I started, I think.
Okay.
That was almost, what was that?
Almost 2 years
Year
ago.
and a half?
Year and a half.
And it's just back for axles, drive shaft, and mufflers.
Doing a torque converter, axles, drive shaft. He's got some boiler mufflers he wants to put on it. And some bushings that, they're called lockouts. They're like inserts that go into the rear cradle bushings. Stiffens it up.
Talking about this on Friday, but it looks like those boilers do have valves.
Yeah, they're the boiler, the valves. They're not bad. Anything with valves isn't terrible. It's all the non-valve shit that sounds like shit. Once it's tossed down, probably start with getting the converter put in it and then work my way back.
Yeah, February of 21 is when you did this. Man.
Holy shit, 2 years ago.
Yeah.
Wild. How'd you find that quick?
His Instagram.
Nice.
Like when he brought it in.
Oh, yeah. Pretty cool. Yeah, I can't believe he's had it for 2 years. Garrett, why don't you give us a hand? You're going to take that bolt out and just swing that brace out of the way.
Okay.
Me and Eric.
Easy enough.
Look at these goodies. Got the old White Claw fucking koozie. I'm curious how this thing drives with the converter, the 10-speed. I mean,
We're over here just being peaceful.
There it goes.
that one slid in there real nice.
Yeah.
You fucking take my blue Loctite too, Matt?
There, Eric, simmer down. Right here.
That one-piece John.
Get a wobbly John.
Huh?
Gotta get a wobbly John.
Wobbly John. Kyle watches Twitch streamers.
Does
He does.
he? He's a Twitch streamer, huh?
Well, I guess the Dr. Disrespect's not a Twitch streamer anymore. He got banned from Twitch. But,
Yeah?
yeah, now he's a YouTube streamer.
What did he do to get banned?
I don't know. It's like a big mystery. It's like a scandal or something.
You need me still?
Don't think so.
Alright.
Thanks, bud.
God, the disrespect!
John.
How's this catch can coming along? Are you gonna have to end up making like a custom bracket for it and stuff?
Nope.
Okay.
Stage 5 car we did a while back. Brought it back, we did a converter and like some other shit. I'm just putting it back on a dyno to adjust the little things for the converter and just make sure it shifts good, and that's really it. Trying to get the meth purged a little bit before I make a full rip. 45, but it's on like pump gas basically, and a 15-inch tire, which does not help dyno numbers. I gotta change the auto upshift because it upshifted. I'll be right back. And this thing's only on like 30% E. Like I said, it's also got that 15-inch tire. I'm not really dynoing it for power numbers. I'm just making sure everything is good because we changed a couple things and put a new belt on it and some other shit. So, sorry it's a little dark in here too. I didn't bring my little light that makes me look good. Well, it's sitting over there, but I didn't think I'd be in the car for this long. I'm gonna make one more pull and then I'll see how it shifts. I'm super conservative on the timing too. This is exactly how I gave it back to him. So I could still go up some. Plus, like I said, it's on 30% E. It actually can't really go much more E. It's on 36%. Duty cycle's kind of high, so I'm wondering if we told him to leave it around this E and that's where it's at. I'm gonna change the trans file back and then see how it shifts. All right, let's see if this thing shifts. I'll do a 4, 5, 6. I wonder if yeah, let me lower that a little bit. The one shifted good, but it banged the limiter on the other one. He ran it once, I think a long time ago, on street tire. Actually, no, that was his old car, I think. He had another SS that we did a stage 5 on, but he crashed it or someone crashed into him or something. I don't remember. The car got wrecked. But he pulled the blower and stuff off of that and then bought the ZL1 and then we put it on this. All right. I lowered the shifts a little bit. So I think last time he had a different tire on it. So I'll tune it to this tire because this is what he's going to keep on here. I'm gonna drive through the gears first. All right, 4, 5, 6, let's see. This thing's done. Later.